In today's video, we'll explore 25 incredible mini gadgets that will blow your mind. Whether you're looking for new tech to simplify your life or just want to have some fun, these pocket-sized gadgets are sure to amaze. From portable projectors to mini drones, there's something here for everyone. Let's jump right in. Laser Pecker Mini Engraver. Let's kick things off with the Laser Pecker Mini Engraver, a tiny but mighty gadget that allows you to create detailed engravings on a variety of materials. This portable device can engrave wood, glass, leather, and metal, making it ideal for personalized gifts, decorations, or just getting creative with your belongings. Its small size makes it extremely portable, so you can take it wherever you go and start engraving on the fly. Imagine gifting someone a custom engraved mug or phone case. Well, with the Laser Pecker Mini Engraver, that's possible in just a few minutes. It's a tool that makes crafting and personalization not only accessible but also portable. Casio Ring Watch. Next, we have the Casio Ring Watch, a stylish timepiece that doubles as a futuristic ring. It's a fashion-forward, wearable tech that combines the charm of a traditional watch with the convenience of a finger-worn gadget. Whether you're at a party or just running errands, it's a great conversation starter and an easy way to check the time without pulling out your phone. This ring is more than just an accessory, it's a statement piece. With sleek designs and advanced functionality, it takes wearing time to the next level. Casio has made something that's not only practical but also fashionable, combining tech and style in one wearable. Moyu Mini Washer and Dryer. If you're someone who spends a lot of time traveling or living in small spaces, the Moyu Mini Washer and Dryer is the perfect gadget for you. This compact washer and dryer can handle small loads, making it ideal for quick washes when you're on the go or don't have access to a laundry machine. The convenience of doing laundry in your hotel room or Airbnb is game-changing, especially when you're traveling for long periods. This gadget is not just about convenience, it's also about saving time and money. Forget about hauling your laundry to a laundromat or spending hours at a hotel laundry room. This mini washer and dryer will have your clothes clean and dry in no time. KODAK Luma 350 Projector. If you're a fan of watching movies or sharing presentations on the go, the KODAK Luma 350 Projector is a must-have gadget. This pocket-sized projector can project images and videos in high definition, making it perfect for both personal entertainment and professional presentations. Whether you're watching a movie with friends or giving a business pitch, this tiny projector will provide big results. The best part, it fits right in your pocket so you can carry it with you everywhere you go. It's perfect for impromptu movie nights, showing off your vacation photos, or giving presentations in small spaces. The KODAK Luma 350 is a portable powerhouse that's both practical and fun. Mini Smart Fingerprint Lock. Looking for a secure yet convenient way to protect your valuables? The Mini Smart Fingerprint Lock is the solution. This small lock uses biometric fingerprint technology to give you quick and easy access to your belongings, whether it's a locker, a bag, or a cabinet. No need for keys or combinations, just a touch of your finger and you're in. Not only does it provide top-notch security, but it's also incredibly user-friendly. You can program multiple fingerprints, share access with others, and use it for a variety of applications. The Mini Smart Fingerprint Lock is perfect for people who value both security and convenience. Mini Sonic Toothbrush Oral Hygiene is a priority for most people, and the Mini Sonic Toothbrush makes it easier to maintain good dental health while on the go. This pocket-sized toothbrush uses sonic technology to clean your teeth efficiently, removing plaque and food particles while giving you the brushing power of a full-sized electric toothbrush in a compact, travel-friendly design. Its small size means you can toss it in your bag or keep it in your car, so you never have to worry about forgetting your toothbrush when traveling. The Mini Sonic toothbrush is perfect for quick touch-ups during the day, or for maintaining your oral care routine on your next vacation. Mini Night Vision Monocular. For those who love outdoor adventures, the Mini Night Vision Monocular is a game-changer. This portable device allows you to see in low-light conditions, making it perfect for night hikes, stargazing, or wildlife watching. Its compact size means it's easy to carry, and the built-in night vision technology lets you see clearly even in complete darkness. Whether you're an avid hunter, a nature lover, or just someone who enjoys exploring after dark, The Mini Night Vision Monocular ensures you don't miss a thing in the night. Mini Arcade Pac-Man. Who doesn't love a bit of nostalgia? The Mini Arcade Pac-Man brings the classic arcade game to the palm of your hand. This pocket-sized gadget lets you relive the fun of the iconic Pac-Man game with the same thrilling maze-chasing action, all in a small, portable device. Take it with you to work, on road trips, or just enjoy a break in your day. It's the perfect gadget for anyone who grew up in the golden age of arcade games and wants to relive those moments anytime, anywhere. Mini Electric Screwdriver. The Mini Electric Screwdriver is a tool that's both handy and portable. Ideal for small DIY tasks or for assembling furniture, this mini screwdriver packs plenty of power into a compact design. With various bits and a rechargeable battery, it's the perfect addition to your toolbox without taking up too much space. From tightening screws on your devices to fixing small repairs around the house, this mini electric screwdriver is versatile and easy to use, making it a must-have for DIY enthusiasts and anyone who needs quick fixes. Mini Portable Air Pump. Inflating tires, balls, or inflatables is usually a hassle, but the Mini Portable Air Pump makes it easy. This compact pump can be used for everything from bike tires to sports balls, offering quick inflation in just a few minutes. It's small enough to carry in your car's glove compartment, so you're always prepared for unexpected flat tires or deflated sports equipment. No more waiting in line at gas stations or lugging around heavy equipment. The Mini Portable Air Pump is the solution to keeping your gear properly inflated on the go. Mini Wireless Bluetooth Speaker. Next, we have the Mini Wireless Bluetooth Speaker, a tiny device that packs a punch when it comes to sound quality. Perfect for those who love music but don't want to carry around bulky speakers. With its wireless capabilities, you can connect it to your phone, tablet, or laptop and enjoy clear, crisp sound wherever you are. Whether you're at the beach, hiking, or in your backyard, this mini speaker makes it easy to enjoy your favorite tunes anytime. Despite its size, it delivers surprisingly rich sound and can be surprisingly loud for its compact form. The Mini Wireless Bluetooth Speaker is great for anyone who wants to bring music on the go without sacrificing portability. Mini Smart Wi-Fi Camera. If you're into home security or just want to keep an eye on your pets or kids when you're away, the Mini Smart Wi-Fi Camera is an absolute must. This compact security camera connects to your Wi-Fi and streams live video directly to your phone, so you can check in anytime, anywhere. It's small enough to hide discreetly around your home, and the quality is exceptional with HD video and motion detection capabilities. The best part? It's easy to set up and doesn't require any complicated wiring. Just connect it to your Wi-Fi and you're good to go. This gadget is ideal for anyone looking for a simple and effective security solution that doesn't take up too much space. Mini Smart Plant Watering System. For plant lovers, the Mini Smart Plant Watering System is a game changer. This small device ensures your plants get the right amount of water every time, whether you're at home or away. It's a set-and-forget system that takes care of your plants, so you don't have to worry about overwatering or underwatering them. By connecting to your smartphone, it lets you monitor your plant's health, and you can adjust the watering schedule remotely. This gadget is perfect for anyone who loves plants but doesn't always have the time to care for them properly. Mini Hand Warmer. As the weather turns colder, the Mini Hand Warmer becomes an essential gadget to have. Small and portable, this hand warmer fits easily into your pocket and provides hours of warmth on a single charge. Whether you're walking through the winter chill or enjoying an outdoor sports game, this mini hand warmer will keep your hands cozy without the need for bulky gloves. It doubles as a power bank too, so you can charge your phone or other devices while you stay warm. A practical, dual-purpose gadget that's perfect for winter activities and outdoor adventures. Mini Smart Doorbell. Upgrade your home security with the Mini Smart Doorbell. This small, sleek device is packed with features that include motion detection, video streaming, and two-way audio. It connects to your smartphone so you can see and talk to visitors no matter where you are. Its compact size makes it easy to install without taking up much space, and it integrates seamlessly with other smart home devices. Whether you're at work or on vacation, this smart doorbell ensures you never miss a visitor again. Mini Thermal Printer. For those who love to organize or create custom designs, the Mini Thermal Printer is a great tool. This tiny printer connects to your smartphone and lets you print labels, photos, or even reminders on the go. It uses thermal technology, so there's no need for ink. Just paper and a simple connection to your phone, and you can print whatever you need in an instant. It's perfect for labeling storage bins, printing photos for your scrapbook, or creating personalized stickers. Its portable size makes it easy to carry wherever you go. Mini Folding Electric Bike. The Mini Folding Electric Bike is a brilliant solution for commuting in the city. It folds down to a compact size, making it easy to store in your apartment, office, or even your car. Despite its small size, it's powered by an electric motor, so you can zip around the city without breaking a sweat. Whether you're navigating crowded city streets or cruising along a scenic route, this mini electric bike is both eco-friendly and efficient. It's a great way to reduce your carbon footprint while still getting around in style. Mini Air Purifier. Breathe easy with the Mini Air Purifier, a compact device that fits on your desk, nightstand, or in your car. This portable air purifier uses advanced filtration technology to remove dust, allergens, and odors from the air, helping you create a cleaner, healthier environment wherever you are. Its small size doesn't take up much space, and it's powerful enough to purify the air in small to medium-sized rooms. It's perfect for anyone who suffers from allergies or just wants to ensure the air they breathe is as clean as possible. Mini UV Sterilizer. Keeping your gadgets clean is more important than ever, and the Mini UV Sterilizer helps you do just that. This small portable device uses UVC light to kill bacteria and viruses on your phone, keys, glasses, or any other personal items. It's a simple and effective way to sanitize your belongings, especially when you're out and about. With this mini sterilizer, you can keep your everyday items germ-free, ensuring peace of mind no matter where you go. Mini Travel Steam Iron. Traveling with wrinkled clothes is never fun, and that's where the Mini Travel Steam Iron comes in. This pocket-sized iron is perfect for travelers who want to keep their clothes looking fresh without carrying around a bulky iron. It heats up quickly and provides powerful steam to smooth out even the toughest wrinkles, making it an essential tool for business trips or vacations. Its compact design fits easily into a suitcase or carry-on, so you'll always have it on hand when you need it most. Mini Fridge for Skincare. If you're a skincare enthusiast, the Mini Fridge for Skincare is a must-have. This tiny fridge keeps your skincare products cool and fresh, which helps maintain their potency and extends their shelf life. It's perfect for storing face masks, serums, and other beauty products, so they stay at the ideal temperature for maximum effectiveness. With its sleek design, it can fit easily on your bathroom counter or vanity, keeping your products organized and chilled at all times. Mini Digital Magnifying Glass. The Mini Digital Magnifying Glass is a handy gadget for anyone who needs a closer look at small text or objects. Whether you're reading fine print, inspecting collectibles, or just trying to get a better view of something, this magnifying glass uses digital zoom technology to give you a clear and crisp image. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to carry around, making it ideal for everyday use or specialized tasks like crafting, coin collecting, or reading small text. Mini Bluetooth Tracker. The Mini Bluetooth Tracker is a lifesaver for anyone who has trouble keeping track of their belongings. This tiny device attaches to your keys, wallet, or anything else you tend to misplace, and it connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth. If you ever lose track of your items, simply use the app to locate them. It's small enough to fit almost anywhere, so you can easily attach it to your everyday essentials without adding bulk. A must-have for anyone who's prone to losing things or wants an extra layer of security. Mini Digital Camera. The Mini Digital Camera is a great choice for those who want high-quality photos without lugging around a heavy DSLR. This pocket-sized camera offers impressive photo and video quality, making it perfect for travelers, vloggers, or anyone who loves photography but wants something more portable. Despite its small size, it's equipped with advanced features like autofocus, image stabilization, and high-definition video recording, ensuring you never miss a shot. Mini Smart Mirror. Last but not least, we have the Mini Smart Mirror, a sleek, compact device that serves as both a mirror and a smart display. This gadget connects to your smartphone and provides useful information like weather updates, calendar reminders, and notifications, all while you're getting ready for the day. The mini smart mirror is perfect for anyone who wants to stay connected while also getting their daily beauty routine done. It's the ideal combination of practicality and tech.